the best thing you can do for your business is get unsiloed. Get in these Telegram channels, in
Yeah.
these in these WhatsApp groups, in these like community groups for affiliates that where you and because I look at affiliates like they are in small pockets
Hmm.
of like 5 to 10. Like when things are really working well, there's like these are the 5 to 10 of other people who do what I do, who I trust to
Hmm.
bounce ideas off of, who I also feel like have my back, who would tell me if something is not working. And I also feel like they're not going to stab me in the back. And the only way you find those people is actually getting out of your house, going to
Hmm.
events, affiliate
Hmm.
events. Like
Hmm.
the affiliate events, cool. Meet me at a booth. I hope you do. I hope everyone come to our booth. But the the main purpose that I tell my people is like you need to go out there and meet as many other people who do what you do.
Yeah.
So if you're coming over to ClickBank, find other affiliates who are running Facebook, and that's your like canary in the coal mine type of thing of what's working, what's not. Then meet as many advertisers so they know that you exist.
Yeah.
So they know that you're not sitting there because they're also trying to decide, is this guy going to make life harder for my best affiliate?
Mm.
Because there's so many times where somebody will rip off an ad and then they're like, well, everyone's doing it. And you're like, not for this guy. He does not tolerate it. He will not. And want to know why? Because you ripped off his favorite affiliate's ads. And
Yeah.
that person has
Yeah.
brought them a lot of money. You they've never met. And so like how you go in and our industry too is so big, but it's
Yeah.
so small.
Hmm.
Like it
Hmm.
is if you go out to any of these events, like it is like 2 degrees of separation of this isn't like 7 degrees of Kevin Bacon type of like this is literally like you can get to one person literally through one person. That's all it takes. It's just like, have you heard of someone? So no. Have you heard of him? Yes. There's the connection. That's it. And
Yeah.
so if the and that is a force multiplier if you're a good communicator. It's also a force multiplier if you're a bad communicator.
Yeah.
And
Totally.
and so it can work on both sides.
Hmm.
Or if you're not, or if you're not doing not being a not being a good partner and a good collaborator.
Yeah,
So
or at least not showing that you have this potential. Like for everyone who's starting affiliate, like I think you don't have to be the biggest affiliate in the market to be a great partner, I guess. But even if you're new to the game, but you're showing, I don't know, a baseline of intelligence and interest and taking action, even if it's small action, that's even maybe so much better than everyone who doesn't take action and just ask for the pay bump first and whatever.
yeah, yeah, it's all about like if you're just showing that you're like, hey, I'm going to start promoting this on Facebook. Love the offer. I'll let you know how it works out for me.
Yeah. Or maybe
And
share the funnel. Do you think
yeah,
this
yeah,
landing
yeah,
page
yeah, sure,
works? You
yeah. Do you
know?
think? Yeah, yeah. Or even better, like, hey, I just promoted this. This was working for me. Here's how my funnel was like. This is how I built my funnel. Anything that I could do that
Yeah.
that you think would make this even better. Like
Yeah.
if you show like giving the advertiser like something great like that, you're like, wow,
Yeah.
he's told me it's working and this is what it's doing. Wow, hey, we have another way we can optimize. Hey, it's like 90% commissions.
Hmm.
Here's a cool CPA. Like working as a collaborator and really, it's not it's giving something of value doesn't mean you have to be working for free.
Yep.
And and the there's a currency of money that's always being talked about, but there's a currency of trust.
Hmm.
And if you learn how to transact in that currency, you are going to make a lot of money in the affiliate industry. You will learn super quick. there's a lot of people in this industry who I would say you wouldn't have considered them savants for the affiliate world at all, but they were highly, highly skilled communicators.
Nice.
And because of that, they were able to learn from people really quickly. They were able to learn from other people's mistakes. They were able to learn and skip steps on their process because are able to meet the right people who are experienced or meet the right advertiser that allowed them to run their offer and make their first 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. Like those are those people.